Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Cognizant breaking news. Cognizant sending the communication assessment mail for 2024 batch. Exam date is tomorrow 10th October 24. Updated pattern we will discuss in the today's video. We will discuss about everything, example, everything. Okay, let's start the video. One most important point that I have to mention, I posted this opportunity 4 days ago, that is a digital workplace engineer trainee CIS role. After that I posted the resume format video. After that the exam pattern. Okay, and finally candidates received the Cognizant communication assessment mail. Okay, like I created poll on our like basically WhatsApp group, and you can see on we have three groups, group number 1, group number 2 and group number 3. Many candidates received the engineer trainee hiring update. Okay, let's discuss about the Cognizant communication assessment. Cognizant invites you to take the communication assessment. Okay, dear candidate, greetings from Cognizant. We are pleased to share you have been shortlisted for communication assessment. The assessment is of 60 minutes. Okay, and one most important point, your assessment date is tomorrow 10th October 5 p.m. is the time, and you can start the test. We will discuss about everything in the today's video. Let's discuss about the Cognizant exam pattern, that is very important. Okay, it is a mandatory assessment to further move your candidature ahead in the hiring process. As we know that first your communication assessment, after that your aptitude assessment will be there. Okay, after that your technical interview will be there. This is the process of Cognizant like hiring process, and you can also download the hiring process page from the official website. Okay, where the page will be downloaded and you will see the hiring process. This is the hiring process: first communication, second as aptitude, and third is technical interview. After that fourth is final. So this is the 60 minutes. The duration of communication assessment is 60 minutes and 3 sections are there: reading and grammar, comprehension and listening and speaking. So total you have 60 minutes of time to complete the assessment, 1 hour, and you have 3 number of section. Okay, that contains reading and grammar, comprehension and listening and speaking. This is the mandatory prerequisite, and I suggest everyone to complete before your examination. Complete the mandatory audio quality check to ensure the audio quality of your device and familiar with the test environment. Please use the same device for final assessment. Audio quality check is very important, guys, because this is communication assessment and you have to listen, speak, okay, in that sections. Okay, so you have to mandatory check the audio quality check. Check out the link to understand the exclusive do's and don't for the audio check and actual assessment. Install MSB Metal Secure Browser and test will advance of scheduled date to avoid any complication. Okay, refers to installation guideline. Download MSB before your examination. Click this link to download MSB and perform the system compatibility check. Ensure laptop desktop audio socket is in proper working condition and able to detect mic and the incoming voice. Ensure webcam is functional and well connected. Recommend USB connected with a mounted mic or very good quality inline mic. Okay, if not, audio quality problem might arise. That's why you have to use the USB connector with a mounted mic or very good quality inline mic. Okay, inline means basically through the laptop or your desktop system. And require stable internet connection with minimum 2 Mbps speed. So please like you have to check your audio quality. You have to do the system compatibility check before your examination. Okay, this is the important point. Perform the audio quality check. Okay, system compatibility check. Take the assessment in a quiet, noise free and well lit environment. Okay, ensure that you have consistent and uninterrupted high speed internet connectivity, as audio listening question can be play only once, beyond which it would be disabled. Okay, so the assessment login window will remain open only for 16 minutes after scheduled start time. Assessment has more than one section, so do not click on finish test button until all sections are completed. Okay, complete each section within the allocated time as they are time bound. Okay, so according to the timer wise, the timer will be going on and you will be moved to next section. Only one attempt is available, so ensure laptop battery is fully charged, desktop is powered through the assessment duration, and you have uninterrupted internet connection. And please don't press F5 or refresh during exam, as it would auto submit an end of assessment. So please don't press F5 or refresh. If you are facing any issue while launching MSB, you can check that. If you, in case of any disconnection due to power failure or internet issue, please restart your assessment using the same invitation link. This is the very important points. Okay, let's discuss about the do's and don'ts. That is very important. Take the assessment in quiet and well lit. Speak loudly. Place the mic 2-3 inches away to one side of mouth. Okay, conduct assessment fairly. If you observe malpractice, report to this email ID. Complete the assessment in one sitting. Have a third person present during the test. Under malpractice, sit in a location with any background noise or echo. Click F5 or try to refresh the screen. Doing will auto submit and end the assessment. Use AI platform like ChatGPT for any hiring round. So I am mentioning this all for all of you. Okay, do's and don'ts, that please don't do any mistake in your examination, because it will lead to failure, okay, of your disqualification. That's why, okay, you applied for opportunity, now you got the examination mail. So let's crack Cognizant examination. We will share each and everything with all of you. So the thing is, there is a zero tolerance for malpractices. They are using AI mechanism to track malpractice, so don't use anything. Okay, and this is the resources for general troubleshooting. If you face any problem while examination, please click on the given button to start the assessment. Your assessment date is 10th October 24, 5 p.m. Start test. Let's discuss about the Cognizant assessment pattern in the detail. Okay, one most important point that I have to mention, I already said there are 3 sections, okay, in which reading and grammar, comprehension and listening, okay, and speakings are there, and 60 minutes of time will be there. Let's discuss about the one by one section through in detail. So first is your reading and grammar. In this part, student will read paragraph and answer question asked by AI. Okay, so on your screen, okay, on your screen the timer will be on, a paragraph will be shown, okay, in which, okay, AI will ask question. You have to particularly read that, okay, and questions come one after another, each with its timer. After the timer runs out, the AI will ask a question and student need to repeat the sentence with correct grammar using their PC mic. Okay, so first you have to read the sentence that is mentioned. Suppose this is the example. Read the sentence as instruct. Buying bicycle part without any expertise can be difficult. Product can range widely in price and yet not to be very difficult. Bike shop sales assistant are not always helpful to average rider. You have to just read, okay, you have to read the sentence, okay. Remember to read the sentence or passage thoroughly. Stay calm despite the timer. Provide answer with proper grammar and avoid confusion with difficult word to succeed. Okay, so mistake नहीं करनी है. Don't do any mistake while reading the sentence. Okay, timer के बारे में भी नहीं सोचना है. Don't think about timer. Just read the sentence with proper pronunciation and grammar. So that is very important. Okay, the timer will be there, but you have to read the sentence. Suppose these are the sentence, so you have to read. While traveling last month, they woke up one morning with a fever. That afternoon he developed a headache and by evening his throat hurt. Okay, so इस टाइप से आप पढ़ सकते हैं. So this is related to reading and grammar. Your first section will be related to that, in which reading and grammar will be there and you have to just read the sentence. Okay, second is your comprehension and listening. That is section number 2. Okay, one most important point, the timer will be ongoing and according to timer, okay, automatically it will go to next section. So in the comprehension and listening, AI will read one comprehension which student have to listen properly and answer the question asked by AI after the passage. Listen properly and answer with proper grammar. So suppose they ask basically suppose in they ask, you have to, this section is test your ability to listen to a passage read by AI and answer related question. Okay, so one most important point, suppose there will be passage, okay, there will be passage and you have to first like AI will read one comprehension, you have to just listen properly, okay, and you have to answer the question, you have to answer the particular question. Okay, suppose there will be passage, okay, AI will be written that like Indore is the cleanest city of India, okay, and AI will be asked a question like Indore is in which state. Okay, that type of question will be asked. So you have to listen very properly. Okay, either it will show that you have to repeat the sentence, or either it will ask the question and you have to answer with a proper grammar. So this is a comprehension and listening. So in that the passage will be shown, you have to listen properly and you have to answer the required question. That is very, very important. Okay, that is most important thing. Let's discuss about like this is also an example. Suppose like AI mentioned that now please just give simple answer to question. Would you get water from a bottle or newspaper? So you say a bottle or from bottle. So some sample question are, you drink water from a bottle. John is excited to meet his boss. Is he happy or is he sad? So happy. So AI will ask a question like this. Okay, AI will ask a question like this. There will be passage. You have to listen properly. First section is your reading ability section. After that your listening skills will be tested. Okay, and you have to answer the particular question. This is the section number 2. Let's discuss about the section number 3, that is speaking. In this section student has to speak on the given topic. Suppose there will be topic, you have to use proper pronunciation without repetition of word and in good vocabulary. Okay, suppose this is the example of story retelling. Okay, so first there will be topic on your screen. Okay, and you will get a time to think about that topic, and then you have to dictate the whole passage or story based on that topic. So you understand the topic. So this type of will be shown. You will hear 3 brief story. Each story will be spoken once followed by a beep. Okay, so suppose the topic will be there. Okay, topic will be there. You have to particularly dictate that topic, or you have to like mention the complete story related to that topic. So one of the story I written, it was a stormy day. Billy was worried about his pet cat, which one was on the tree. His mom told that the cat would be fine. Once the storm ceased, Billy went out and checked on the cat. The cat running to him, Billy moms was right. Okay, so the thing is, you have to, according to topic, you have to particularly mention the story, and you have to like speak the particularly story. You have to speak on the particular given topic. So this is section is speaking. So first section is your reading ability will be check. Third is listening ability, and like second is listening ability, first reading, second listening. Okay, and third is your speaking ability will be test. Okay, so how you are speaking related to particular topic, this is related to that. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you have any kind of doubt in any of the section, and like complete the assessment, okay, in one attempt, and please check the all guidelines that I mentioned in the particular video. We will come up with the aptitude preparation videos as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video.